Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already saved a backup, so start by selecting the cells that contain comments. Click one cell or drag arrange. Once selected, make sure you're on the Review tab. If you want every comment on the sheet, press Ctrl+A to select all visible cells. This avoids missing threaded comments hidden in filtered rows. Now look to the Comments or Notes group. This is where removal commands live. Acting immediately prevents accidental edits to other content while you remove annotations. Now perform the removal. If you're removing classic notes, choose Review Delete or use Go to Special Comments to highlight them and press Delete. For threaded comments, open the Comments pane, select the first comment, then use the three-dot menu to delete all on the sheet. Once done, confirm that cells no longer show the red triangle or comment indicator. Make sure to inspect filtered or hidden rows, because comments there won't be removed unless those rows are unhidden and included in your selection. Finish by saving your cleaned file under a new name to preserve the original. Then scan the sheet visually or use Find Comments to verify none remain. If you still see indicators, unhide rows and columns and repeat the deletion steps. Some comments hide in filtered ranges. If the delete option is grayed out, confirm you have edit permissions and that the workbook isn't protected. Remove protection or request access, and then retry. This resolves the common remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.